If you've been diagnosed with sleep apnea and you love to travel, or you just dislike how bulky some standard CPAP machines are, you've probably heard of the Resmed AirMini. This is one of the smallest CPAP machines, and today we're unboxing it so you can see exactly what you get in the box before you buy. This is what the box looks like and is shipped in when you purchase an AirMini. It's pretty compact, which makes sense given what's inside. You can see on the front it says AirMini, and on the sides you've got some basic specs and what's included. When opening it up, right on top you've got the AirMini unit itself, nestled in the packaging. First thing you notice is how small it is, way smaller than traditional CPAPs. Let's pull everything out and see what's all inside. Starting with the AirMini unit itself, placed into protective packaging. Next is the AirMini's user guide to help you set up your machine and learn more about its features and functions. Next is the power supply and cord. Lastly is the drawstring bag that can hold the AirMini device, tubing, your mask, and other accessories as needed. Let's take a closer look at the AirMini. On the front are two buttons. The top one is your on-off, and the bottom is the Bluetooth button used to put the device into pairing mode, so it can connect to your smartphone or tablet via the Resmed AirMini app. On the side here is where the tube connects. It uses a proprietary connector, so you do need AirMini-specific accessories, not your standard CPAP hose. The back of the device has some specific machine info. Here is everything in the AirMini box, all laid out side by side. Overall, the unboxing experience is clean. Resmed keeps it simple with the AirMini packaging. Thanks for watching. The AirMini is available for purchase at the CPAP shop. Visit us online today